County, central Clinton County, west central Howard County, northeastern Boone County, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located south of Frankfurt, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Frankfurt around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Michigan Town around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Burlington around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 145 and 151. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Carroll, Clinton, and Howard. And now a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Boone and Hendricks. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northeastern Hendricks and Boone counties through 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Brownsburg, 19 miles northwest of Indianapolis, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following